this video, you'll learn how to install a Thermo Scientific Nalgene Analytical filter funnel in a standard manifold device. We offer a manifold system that's compatible with standard pre-assembled or reusable filter units. Our stainless steel manifold consists of 3 vacuum upright ports with a hose barb on the side, fitting 3/8-inch tubing. It requires an additional vacuum stopper number 8 and a funnel adapter for each tulip to function with analytical filters. Set up the system by using the tubing to connect the manifold to a vacuum source. Verify all connections are secured and confirm the stopcock is in the closed position. Using a sterile technique, remove the analytical filter from the packaging and firmly press it in place over the upright port. Add the sample into the funnel. Then, turn on the vacuum pressure and change the stopcock to the open position to start the filtration process. Once filtration is complete, turn off the vacuum pressure and return the stopcock to the closed position. Remove the filter and grip the blue collar in one hand. In the other hand, squeeze the upper section to break the seal and open the funnel. Recover the membrane with sterilized forceps and place it over the culture media for analysis. Sterile, economical cellulose nitrate membrane does not contain extractables that will inhibit or stimulate bacteria growth, and it does not affect the medium's pH. Various other options are compatible with our standard manifold, including single-use and reusable devices. Thank you for watching. Visit thermofisher.com/filtration to learn more.